All right, that was 2 large packages of my Little Smokies beef. Now we're adding our petite potatoes, and these ones do come washed. I have 3 bags total for this easy dinner. Now I'm coming in with 2 large cans of green beans that I did drain. That's gonna go right there. You can use fresh or frozen if you prefer. I have 1 whole onion that I diced, and I'm just gonna put that right there. I like the lines because then you can see all the ingredients I'm putting in here, and it's easy to follow the recipe. Now I'm gonna bring in my 2 sticks of melted butter, and into our melted butter, we're gonna add our Cajun seasoning, and we're gonna season this heavy because that is a lot of food. We are bringing this to a potluck, and I think it is gonna be a hit. Now you can adjust the veggies to your liking, the meat to your liking, but I love this kind of Cajun style meal. All right, once we have about 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning in there, we're gonna bring in our minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic or garlic powder, but we're gonna add a few scoops of our garlic in there because we wanna make sure we can taste that garlic. All right, that was about 3 tablespoons of garlic. And now we're just gonna give this a quick mix so that it gets fully combined with our butter. Ooh, and I think we might need a little bit more seasoning. It's not the color I want it to be. You could also use a Creole seasoning if that's what you like more than the Cajun seasoning, but I had this Cajun seasoning already and I wanted to use it up. Okay, and once that's nice and mixed together, we can go ahead and drizzle this onto our entire pan. Now this is one of those super extra large aluminum pans, which is perfect for potlucks. I'll make sure you get all that garlic all on there. But don't worry, we're gonna give this a good mix. Let's just make sure we get all of that yumminess out. Beautiful. All right, and we put our food grade gloves on, and now it is time to mix everything together. Oh my goodness, we're gonna get that butter and that seasoning evenly distributed, those onions just tossed in there. This smells absolutely incredible. I cannot wait to get this cooking. I know that Cajun seasoning is just gonna bring the most delicious aroma to our home. And then I know that everyone who tries this is going to love it. Now, if you don't like green beans, you can swap it out for like okra or whatever kind of veggie you like. And you can do whatever kind of meat, like you can do a kielbasa, but I think this looks absolutely delicious. But you gotta make sure to use the petite potatoes or else they won't cook fast enough. Okay, we are going to put this into the oven at 350 for about 35 to 40 minutes. Oh, this smells absolutely incredible. Some of those dogs got a little sear on them. The potatoes look perfectly cooked. It is time to dig in. Of course, we gotta give it a try before we serve it up to our friends and family. Oh my goodness, I am so excited.
Cajun butter looks so good.
Yeah, it smells incredible. Get a weenie and a potato. Mmm.